Hello, folks. Yeah, I started attending Be10x course by Aditya, Kachave, and Aditya Goenka and a few others. So this course is really helping me in enhancing the knowledge about artificial intelligence and also the usage and some of its benefits. I would definitely recommend people to know how AI tools work and go through this course because uh, the people who are training are really well versed in whatever they are doing. So I would definitely recommend this course for people who are new to AI tools or even not aware of what these tools are. These tools definitely increase your productivity at work and also saves a lot of time. And even it gives so many ideas and uh, solutions for people to come up with many good solutions as well in their organizations, irrespective of whatever the roles they are in. Thank you.